Hodgie Beats is a rapper and record producer. Grand Puba is a veteran rapper and member of Brand Nubian. Tori Kelly is a talented singer and songwriter, and a two-time Grammy Award winner. Musician and performer. Joey Barra is a prominent rapper and actor. Tom Bell is one of the creators of Philadelphia Soul and a two-time Grammy Award winner. Capital Steez, born in 1993, was a talented rapper. Chubb Rock is a respected rapper known for his classic hits. Delroy Edwards is a musician and DJ. Dinah King is a Jamaican singer known for her unique blend of reggae, R&B, and pop. Itana is a celebrated Jamaican reggae singer. Chuck Fender is a Jamaican reggae and dancehall artist. Funkmaster Flex is a renowned American DJ and record producer. CJ Fly is a rapper and record producer. Alain Lawton is a popular Jamaican singer. Stephen Marley is an 8-time Grammy Award winner, carrying on the musical legacy. Delroy Morgan, born in 1945, was a respected Jamaican reggae artist. Gramps Morgan is a member of the Grammy Award-winning reggae band Morgan Heritage. DJ Mustard is a Grammy Award-winning record producer and DJ. Maya is a Grammy Award-winning R&B singer, songwriter, and actress. NLE Chopper is a rising rapper known for his energetic style. Renee Nerfil is an R&B singer and songwriter. Styles P is a rapper and member of the hip-hop group The Lox. Taris Riley is a prominent reggae singer. Safari Samuels is a rapper and television personality. Gil Scott-Heron, born in 1949, was an influential musician, poet, and activist, posthumously awarded a Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award. Ski Mask the Slump God is a rapper known for his unique delivery. Pop Smoke was a rising rapper, born in 1999. Justine Skye is a singer, songwriter, and model. Sleepy Hallow is a rapper known for his distinct sound. Wi-Fi's Funeral is a rapper from Florida. Simi Sernakar is a musician and composer. Lil Tecca is a rapper and singer. Vybz Kartel is a highly influential Jamaican dancehall artist. Buju Banton is a Grammy Award-winning Jamaican reggae and dancehall artist. Marion Hall, formerly Lady Saw, is a pioneering Jamaican dancehall artist and gospel singer. Spice is a leading Jamaican dancehall artist and television personality. YFN Lucci is a rapper from Atlanta. JPG Mafia is a rapper and record producer. Rowdy Rebel is a rapper from Brooklyn. Rican Darmenis is a rising rapper. Victoria Monet is a Grammy Award-winning singer, songwriter, and record producer.